Graduation's here. Make it special with these 6 amazing DIY gifts. Ferrero Rocher Graduation Cap. First, cut black cardstock into 5 cm around 2-inch squares for the cap tops. Glue the square onto the top of your Ferrero Rocher chocolate. Use a small clip to hold the tassel loop onto the center of the cardstock square. This keeps it in place for the next step. Apply the glitter glue to the cardstock over the tassel loop with a tool. Let the glitter glue dry completely with the clip still holding the tassel. Once dry, carefully remove the clip. Your mini graduation cap is complete. Graduation lollipops. First, cut a black cardstock strip, roll and glue into a band. Cut small slits along one edge. Cut a black square, then glue the band onto the center. This is your cap. Create a mini tassel. Cut red paper, make small cuts, then roll it tightly with thread. Glue the tassel onto the cap. Glue the completed cap onto your lollipop. Add some fun googly eyes. Finished, a sweet graduation treat. Backpack card holder. Start by cutting purple paper for the inner pocket. Fold and glue the side to form the pocket. Mark measurements first. Now, cut and fold brown paper for the backpack base. Round the bottom corners of the front flap. Attach decorative paper. Add adhesive to the back of the inner pocket. Accordion fold your colored papers for the card insert. Attach the finished pocket insert to the brown backpack base. Glue on the small closure tab and a decorative stitching with a white pen. Cut and attach the backpack straps and top handle. DIY decorated graduation cap. Prepare your artificial flowers by cutting the stems. First, find the back of your cap where the elastic is. Choose which side you want to decorate. Lay out your flowers and leaves on the cap to plan your design. Use a hot glue gun to attach everything according to your plan. Clip the bow on. This lets you easily remove and reuse it later. Decorate the other corner with smaller flowers, leaves, and a butterfly. Personalize it. Add letter or number stickers for dates and initials. You can also add pearls for extra sparkle. Optionally, add some extra flowers to the front peak if you like. And you're done! Chenille Stem Graduation Puppy. Take a fluffy chenille stem, wrap it twice around your thumb to form the head. Pull the long end up through the loops to create the ears. Adjust and shape the head part. Thread the long part back down through the head loops twice to form the back of the head. Bend the body into 4 leg sections. Cross them to secure the shape. Use scissors to trim the fur for a neater look. Glue on small beads for the eyes and nose. Add some blush to the cheeks with a brush. Finally, dress your little puppy in its graduation robe, cap, and diploma. Heat shrink film memory lamp. You'll need a simple lampstand and heat shrink plastic sheets. Cut the heat shrink film into your desired shapes. Write down graduation wishes, special memories, or draw pictures using colored pens. Colorful writing and drawings look best. Punch a hole near the top of each piece. Now, carefully use a heat gun to shrink each piece. Be patient. Optional, for a glossy finish, apply a layer of UV resin. Cure the UV resin under a UV lamp. Use jump rings to attach the shrunk pieces to the lamp frame or rings. Add beads or other decorative items to the bottom of the pieces if you like. And your unique heat shrink memory lamp is complete.